Welcome to Super Shrimp Biomarine Chemicals Private Limited. Today we are diving into world of shrimp farming and exploring a natural solution that has been gaining popularity, spirulina. But first, what exactly is spirulina? Spirulina is blue-green algae that rich in nutrients like protein, vitamins and minerals. It is often considered as superfood because of its nutritional content. Now let's delve into how spirulina benefits shrimp growth in aquaculture. Spirulina plays a crucial role in shrimp farming for several reasons. Firstly, its high protein content serves as an excellent source of essential amino acids, promoting healthy growth and development in shrimp. This nutrient-rich algae also contains vitamins like B12, which support the shrimp's overall well-being. Moreover, spirulina has been found to boost the immune system of shrimp. The antioxidants present in spirulina can help shrimp from disease, ensuring a more robust and disease-resistant population in aquaculture system. Another fascinating aspect of spirulina is its ability to enhance the coloration of shrimp. The carotenoids found in spirulina contribute to vibrant pigmentation of shrimp, making them more visually appealing. This can be especially important for certain shrimp species in the ornamental or pet trade. Beyond its impact on shrimp health, spirulina has also environmental benefits in aquaculture systems. As a photosynthetic organism, spirulina absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, contributing to improved water quality in shrimp ponds. In conclusion, spirulina is a powerhouse of nutrients that offers numerous benefits for shrimp farming. From supporting growth and immunity to enhancing collaboration, its natural properties make it an eco-friendly choice for sustainable aquaculture. If you are involving in shrimp farming or considering it, incorporating spirulina into the diet of shrimp could be a game changer. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the more insights into fascinating world of aquaculture.